Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of one pot creamy, delicious, cheesy pasta. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe. Heat 1.5 tablespoon butter and then add 1 teaspoon crushed or chopped garlic. Saute this till the raw smell of the garlic is gone. Now add 1.5 tablespoon all-purpose flour or maida. You need to saute this same like garlic till the raw smell is gone. This is a very important step. The maida should not be raw. Now add 1 cup milk and keep stirring the mixture. Add 1 cup macaroni pasta or any other pasta of your choice. Give this a mix. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup water. If you feel there is a need to add water, you can add as per your requirement. Add some salt per taste. Give this a good mix. Now cover and let the pasta cook. If you feel that there is a need to add some water in between, you can do that. The pasta is almost done. I'm adding 2 cheese slices. These are processed cheese slices. You can also add the normal processed cheese block which we get in the market. Now add 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 small sized capsicum. Give this a good mix. I don't want the capsicum to get overcooked, that's why I'm adding it at the end. Now here I have 1/4 cup grated mozzarella cheese. This cheese should be soft, it should not be right out of the freezer, and you should add this at the end. And as you add it, gently give the pasta a mix, switch off the flame and serve the pasta right away. Look at the strings of the mozzarella cheese in this creamy, delectable pasta. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.